In his world, Gulliver was one of the little people.
You might as well face it, never really gonna get any bigger than this.
You think I don't have plans?
Want to apply for a travel writing assignment?
But all of that
There's a guy who claims he has the secret to the Bermuda Triangle.
is about to change.
What's that? Crawling on me. Not fire ants. Please don't be fire ants.
From the studio that brought you Night at the Museum and featuring the star of Kung Fu Panda.
Where am I? The grandest and greatest land in all the world, Lilliput.
You guys are so tiny.
Fire! I can help.
Something big
I have a plan, but you're not gonna like it.
is going down.
Yeah, it's working!
Peace, stop!
Oh, no.
This is ground for execution!
Oh!
Inside Castle Voice, please.
Jack Black,
All hail our new General Gulliver!
Where are you from?
I'm from the island of Manhattan.
Were you the president?
I was actually known as President the Awesome.
No, Gulliver, I am your father.
King Theodore.
Shh, we're watching the stories of Gulliver's life.
I'm king of the world!
I'm starting to love this place.
Don't you miss your subjects? And the White House and the Millennium Falcon?
Vice President Yoda can run things without me for a while.
from 20th Century Fox.
Gulliver has transformed Lilliput into his own sordid, rotten little kingdom.
Gulliver, we need you. You're our general.
Edward has taken over Lilliput and captured the princess.
One man will become the hero
Forget it, man. I may be 100 feet tall, but I'm not half the size of one of you little guys.
he's always pretended to be.
You're President the Awesome.
You're in Captain Sparrow, who defeated the Joker and Magneto.
You can do this.
I won't let you down.
I challenge you to a duel!
That's cute.
Gulliver's Travels.
Pause game.
And party every day.